Hello, everyone. Today, we'll learn the names of your school supplies and how to use them in singular and plural forms. Whether you're getting ready for a new school year or just learning new words, this is the place to be. Ready? Grab your backpack and let's go.
Η κασετίνα. Οι κασετίνες. Η γόμα. Η σβίστρα. Οι γόμες. Οι σβίστρες. Η ξύστρα. Οι ξύστρες. Η τσάντα. Οι τσάντες. Ο μαρκαδόρος. Η μαρκαδόρη. Ο φάκελος. Οι φάκελοι. Το μολύβι. Τα μολύβια. Το βιβλίο. Τα βιβλία. Το τετράδιο. Τα τετράδια. Το ντοσιέ. Τα ντοσιέ.
All right, now that you've got the basics of school supplies down, let's take it up a notch and dive into Greek noun endings. In Greek, every noun has a gender: masculine, feminine, or neuter. And guess what? School supplies fit into all three categories. Here's the breakdown. Pay attention to the articles and their endings. Do you see the pattern? Once you know the gender, you can easily use the right article, whether it's singular or plural. Ready for some practice? Let's see if you remember how to say the school supplies in plural.
Οι κασετίνες. Οι τσάντες. Οι μαρκαδόροι. Οι φάκελοι. Τα βιβλία. Τα τετράδια.
And that's a wrap on Greek noun endings and school supplies. Now you know how to use them, whether you're talking about one pencil or many books. Keep practicing, and soon it'll feel like second nature. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. Until next time, happy learning. Yes, us.